What is the best reciprocating saw with battery? Here are my full reviews of the best reciprocating saw with battery together with key feature. So before starting this video, for more details and price, click product link description. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. DEWALT DCS387P1 Saw Kit. Many of the best reciprocating saws for remodeling your house are sold in pieces. When you buy the saw, you're only buying the tool, battery, charger, and blade sold separately. However, the DEWALT DCS387P1 20 volts max cordless compact reciprocating saw kit is a powerful option that includes a great reciprocating saw, as well as a battery, charger, and carrying bag. Key features. This set includes the DEWALT 5-amp battery that is the longest lasting in the series and compatible with other DEWALT tools. The 20-volt tool will slice through wood, metal, or anything else with its reliable motor. Like many reciprocating saws, this DEWALT option includes a toolless blade replacement, trigger switch, variable speeds, and an LED light. DEWALT EWE 305 12-amp corded reciprocating saw. Don't worry about having your batteries charged or ensuring you have the right one. Use a simple and powerful corded reciprocating saw for your demolition needs. The DEWALT EWE 305 is an excellent saw at a reasonable price. Key features. This DEWALT corded saw sports a 12-amp motor with a 1.125-inch stroke length and a 0 to 2,900 SPM variable speed. The entire saw is 17.5 inches long and uses a variable speed trigger for absolute control. You get 4 blade cutting positions and a keyless lever action blade clamp, which both give you absolute customizability. You can purchase this DEWALT tool with a variety of blades as well. BLACK+DECKER BDCR 20C reciprocating saw. If you're not a contractor, you probably don't need to spend hundreds on a reciprocating saw. The BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max lithium reciprocating saw is a compact, cordless, affordable tool that you can use around the house for countless projects. Key features. The recognizable orange and black saw features a 20-volt lithium battery, part of the 20-volt max BLACK+DECKER max system. With this saw, you get a variable speed trigger and a pivoting shoe, both of which improve control for your cuts. The blade speed runs anywhere between 0 and 3,000 strokes per minute, SPM, with a stroke length of nearly 1 inch. The blade allows for tool-free changes and one-button unlocking. Porter Cable PCC670B battery reciprocating saw. The Porter Cable PCC670B is a lightweight and portable reciprocating saw. It uses the company's 20 volts max system, which means that it is compatible with the batteries from any of these devices. It has a variable speed trigger up to 3000 SPM and is another model that includes a tool-free blade changing system for greater convenience and easier use. Key features. At just £4, it is one of the lightest models on the market, and because it has a 1-inch blade, it makes light and quick work of most jobs. Unfortunately, a number of buyers have complained that it vibrates more than other models and is not considered suitable for heavy-duty or professional use. Makita XRJ04Z 18 volts LXD reciprocating saw. The Makita XRJ04Z has an 18 volts battery and variable speed trigger that offers up to 2,800 SPM. It has a generous 1 1/4 inch stroke length and toolless blade changing system that make it convenient. Although it is billed as being lightweight, it weighs in at 6.7 pounds, which is heavier than a lot of other models. Key features. This, combined with the lack of power when compared to a 20 volts motor, along with a higher price tag than most other models, kept the Makita from the top positions. However, Makita does have a very good reputation and a lot of loyal customers, who are sure to like the ergonomic soft grip handle and the fact that the weight of the motor is distributed well around the handle.